Y'all, we doing it again. We back again. We back again, and we doing it again. Yes. So as you guys can see from the title, we're doing the 7 days of one color theme for the week. And I decided to go with purple. I know you guys can probably tell, but my nails is purple now. Okay, get into the details. It's a really like light lilac purple. It's too light for me, but we're gonna make it work, okay? So I'm so excited because we're doing purple theme. I love purple everything. It's like one of my second favorite colors to wear, especially when it comes to the makeup. I love purple eyeshadows on me. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So anywho, we're gonna be doing this makeup look using this palette. And I know y'all thinking like, what makeup look? You ain't got a makeup look. We're gonna do today's makeup look using this palette. I'm so excited, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm just like so bubbly, okay? But everything is already prepped and primed, so we're gonna jump right into this. I think I'm zoomed in enough, but I might zoom in a little bit more so you guys can get all up in these eyeballs. So let's do that. All right, so we're going in with the Juvia palette, the royal one, okay? Picking out all my purple palettes, I didn't realize this was a purple one until I actually looked through. I was like, I thought I had another purple Juvia palette, and it's this one, because when you look on the outside, it doesn't look like it's going to just be purple. It looks like it's going to have like a yellow sunset theme going on like the outside. Which, by the way, Juvia, if you're watching, this would be a beautiful color theme for your next palette. Like some orange, yellow, and purple tones together. Perfect. I would buy it ASAP, okay? But anywho, let's get into this look. So I'm going to start off with... let's start off with this color, and then I'm going to buff it out and blend it out with this color. Yeah, so let's start off dark. And boy, is this purple dark. Just placing this color first down, and then I'm gonna go in with that lighter shade to help blend this out. But y'all, look how vibrant this purple is. Girl. Alright, now I'm gonna take my time and get that. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna take my time and now take that lighter shade of the purple, and we're gonna help blend out this beautiful royal blue color. Did I say royal blue? Royal purple. Where's my head at? And this purple has a little bit of a pink undertone, which I'm here for, okay? So I'm just taking my time, like I said, between the two colors, because you don't want a harsh line between the two colors, but you also don't want to lose neither one of the colors as well. So the key of any eye look is making sure you're taking your time and blending out eyeshadows together. So don't rush anything, okay? People always ask me, especially at work, oh my gosh, your makeup's so beautiful. How long did it take you? 2 hours. 2 hours. And sometimes it takes me a little bit more depending on what type of look I do. But, you know, including the eyes and the whole face routine, it usually takes me about a good 2 hours to do my makeup, because I really like to take my time and get my eyeshadow blend correctly. But now for a basic look with like no eyeshadow, or maybe like one eyeshadow on the eye, I can do that look within like 30-45 minutes. It just comes, when it comes down to color, your girl got to take her time to make sure everything's blended out. So take your time. So y'all might see this within a 15-minute speed time, but in reality it did not take me no 15-30 minutes to do this look. Not at all. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to continue to blend this. And then I'm going to cut my crease as well off camera. So I'm going to go in with the metallic shades now. I'm going to start off with this color, and then I'm going to blend it out with the outer. And then of course I'm going to put this right in my inner tear duct. And I worked with this eyeshadow palette before. And I know you got to spray. Oh, I'll spray the camera. Oops, sorry. I know you got to spray your brush. It comes out a lot better when you do so. For the eyeshadow. So I'm going in with that first shade in the palette, the first metallic. I'm gonna put this right in the center. Leave enough space for the other two shades. That middle metallic blue, it definitely looks like, I keep calling this palette blue, but what I was trying to say, the outer color that I'm using right now, it's definitely a lot more deeper, And I feel like it has a little bit of like blue undertones to it. It's really pretty. When I first did a finger swatch, I couldn't tell the difference on the color ranges, but I think on my eyelid, especially on camera, you guys can tell the difference, right? I'm pretty sure. I hope so. Make sure that I blend the two colors together. This looks so cute. I'm so excited for this look. Okay, so like I said, now I'm gonna grab the matte lilac color and I'm gonna pop that right in my inner. Girl, this is cute. If y'all don't have this palette, go get it. I am not kidding. Go get it. Girl, wait till I pop the lashes on you. I ain't gonna be able to tap me nothing. I am so excited for this look. Like, this is beautiful. I kind of feel bad because I use pretty much every color in this palette except for this pressed glitter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a quick finger swatch. This looks very similar, if not identical, to this shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take a little bit of some what's this thing called, glitter glue. I'm gonna pop it right in the center of my lid, put some over here as well, and I'm gonna dip my finger right into that pressed glitter and just press it right on top of the eyeshadow. So it's gonna make it look a little bit more shimmery, kind of, sort of, because they look very similar, to be honest. All right, so I'm gonna do my wing off camera, and I'm gonna come back with, of course, the rest of my face done, and then we're gonna finish out the bottom. We're gonna smoke it out because I'm really feeling this look. Oh wait, before I go off really quick, I always do this part, but sometimes for those who do follow like step by step of my looks, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that dark purple, and y'all know I like to do this to close it out just a little bit. It looks a little bit more cleaner that way. All right, so now for the bottom lash line, I think it's only right that I smoke it out with the deepest purple. So I'm gonna do that, okay? So I'm gonna take the deep purple, and I'm probably gonna go towards like the inner part, like my inner lower lash line. I'm probably gonna go in with this one right here. So let's see how that turned out. Pop more of that lilac color with my primer, my glitter primer, to make that color like stand out a lot more. Girl, this is cute. If y'all don't have this palette, go run and get it, or go get something that's similar to these eyeshadows, because girl, I am feeling this. I'm feeling this so much. We're popping bottom lashes on today because that's how much I'm feeling this look. So I'll be right back. I ain't even gonna say nothing about the face. I ain't gonna say nothing about the face, cause y'all get what I'm going, okay? Anywho, going in with my NYX pencil. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with the lip bar. This is in the shade Man Eater. Y'all know I'm going in with a plumper because that's what my lips love. So this is really messy. I don't know what happened in this one. Let's clean this up. All right, so I'm going in with my lip plumper. This is by ColourPop. And this is the Lizzie McGuire one. I feel like all my lip plumpers are from ColourPop. They make some really good lip plumpers. Just want to put that out there. If y'all looking for a good plumper for affordable price, check out ColourPop. So I kind of lost a little bit of that lip color because of this lip gloss. I'm going to add a little bit of nude right in the center. Girl. Okay. Let's put on this little quick little fit for this and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the look. Oh my gosh. Girl. When I tell you I love me a purple look, honey, I love me a purple look. Yes. So I'm feeling everything about this look, the hair, down to the outfit, which you guys will see right now. So I am on my way to work, so it is a little hoochie-fied without my cardigan. So I am gonna put on a cardigan. It's a nice, like a lace, my lace cardigan. And I didn't have any other colors. I was like, what would go with this? So I feel like the white one would go. I hope it goes because that's what I'm wearing to work, to cover my arms, because I can't have my arms all out like this because I'm looking a little too sexified. So we want to look sophisticated, not sexified, okay? But after work, holla at your girl like this, okay? But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. I am here for it. I am feeling every little bit of this purple. This is the type of makeup look that's gonna be hard for me to take off tonight. Like, I'm gonna cry when I take this makeup look off. I'm like, because I love it so much, but it's just everything for me, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this look as well. I hope you guys are looking forward for the next 6 days of seeing my face again and again and again with a purple slave, down to the makeup, down to the outfit. Like, I'm excited for this one. Like, yellow was cool and all, but purple is on a whole nother level, okay? So I hope you guys are here for it. Don't forget to thumbs it up. Don't forget to leave me your feedback down at the bottom. Let me know how y'all feel about everything, okay? And of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow because we're doing this for the next 6 days. And you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. Until then, adios.